Student Sairam, welcome to online computer class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, computer devices. In this lesson we will see different type of computer devices. Now students, we already have done lesson number 3, man versus computer. In this lesson we have seen comparison in between man and computer. Now let's start our lesson number 4, computer devices. Now students, if you see any plant or any human body, plant is made up of different parts: branches, root, leaves, flowers, fruits. So all parts come together to form a plant. Okay, in human body there are different parts like hand, legs, eyes. Each part has their different work. Several parts have their different works. So all parts come together to form a human body. Similarly, in computer has different parts. Our parts combined together or connected together with the help of wires form a computer system. Now let's see computer devices. Okay, these parts are called as computer devices. The computer devices are mainly divided into 3 groups: input device, output device and storage device. In input device there are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, scanner. In output devices are monitor, printer, speaker. Storage devices are hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, pen drive. Now let's see one by one in detail all these devices. First one, input devices. Input devices, the data and the instruction that we enter into computer are called inputs, and the device that helps in entering this data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. Now suppose I want to add 2 numbers in computer. Suppose I want to add 5 plus 5 in computer. So what I will do? So I press these 2 numbers with the help of keyboard in computer. I type 5 plus 5, okay, then is equal to sign, and then I press enter. So that 5, that plus sign and 5 are my inputs, okay, which I put in computer, and the device which I use to put that numbers, to put it in computer, it is my input device. Okay, the device with the device that help us to putting something in computer, to entering something in computer, it is our input device. Now some basic input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, scanner. Now first one, keyboard. Now keyboard has many keys: alphabetical keys, number keys, some special keys also. Okay, keyboard help us to type or to enter something in computer. So with the help of keyboard we give instructions to the computer. Okay, second one, mouse. Mouse help us to point something, to draw anything on computer. Mouse has 2 buttons, left button, one scroll wheel also, and right button. With the help of left button we select something, we draw something on computer. Scroll wheel we use to move, slide up and down. Okay, So this is the use of mouse. So mouse is our input device because with the help of mouse we put something in computer. Okay, so we give instructions to the computer with the help of mouse. Okay, now joystick. Joystick is used for playing games on computer. It is another input device. Microphone. Microphone we use to record voice, to record sound. Okay, so with the help of microphone we record our voice and send it to the computer. Okay, so we put something in computer, or we enter something in computer with the help of that device. That device is called as input device. Okay, so we enter something in computer. Suppose, let's see another input device, scanner. Scanner, with the help of scanner we enter something in computer. Suppose I want to scan this page. This is your book page. Okay, I want to scan this page. So what I will do? I put that page in that scanner. Scanner exactly scan that page in and put it in computer. Okay, so to enter something in computer, to put something in computer, we use scanner. Okay, suppose I draw one picture on one paper, and I want to save that picture in my computer. So how I will save this? With the help of scanner I saved it in computer. I put it in computer. So scanner is our input device. Now how many input devices we have seen? Keyboard, a mouse, joystick, microphone and scanner. Now let's see output devices. Output devices are the result that comes after processing the instructions is called our output. A device that help us getting and viewing the results are called output devices. As I told you, if we want to add two numbers, suppose I want to add 6 plus 4. So what I will do? I type it with the help of keyboard, and keyboard is our input device. So I put that numbers in computer, but where I will see that numbers? It will display on monitor. It will 6 plus 4 display on monitor. Okay, so monitor is our output device, and that numbers and the results. So 6 for I give input as a 6 plus 4 to the computer. Computer process that numbers and give me a result. Okay, processing my instructions and give me a result in the form of 10, and it will display on monitor, and the 10 is my output, and that device which help us to getting it and viewing the results are called output devices. Okay, now let's see some basic output devices are monitor, printer, speaker. Monitor help us to display something, to viewing something. So whatever we enter in computer, whatever we give instructions to the computer, it will display on monitor. Monitor comes in different sizes. Okay, so some black and white monitors are there, some color monitors are here. As I told you, we have seen the example of two numbers. So the two numbers are display on monitor. If I want to draw something on computer, so it will display on monitor. Okay, so if I want to point out, if I use mouse to point out something, so I point it on a monitor. Monitor display screen. On that screen I point out it. Okay, now printer. There are different types of printers, some color printer, some black and white printers also. We have seen scanner. with the help of scanner we put something in computer. So with the help of printer we take out something from computer. If I draw something in paintbrush on computer, or if I type question paper in Word on computer, so I want that question paper or that picture from paint on paper from computer. I want to take out that picture or that question paper from computer. So what I use printer to take out these things from computer. So printer gives me a printout of that picture or that question paper. Okay, so it is also called as hard copy. Okay, the printout is printout of any picture or any text. It is also called as hard copy. Okay, so printout is also a output device. So something we take out from computer. Last one, speakers. With the help of speaker we can hear voice, we can hear sounds. If you want to if you watch any movie on computer, it display on monitor, but the voice is coming from speaker, so it gives output in the form of voice or sound. Okay, so listen to listen to music, okay, we use speakers. So whatever microphone we use to store voice, to record voice, but speaker we use to listen to music, to listen to voice, to sound. Okay, so in this way we use these output devices to take out something from computer. Now students, what we learn, we have seen computer devices are mainly divided into three parts: input device, output device, storage devices. In this session we have seen input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, scanner. Output devices: monitor, printer, speakers. Okay, now children, you read this lesson carefully, lesson number 4 carefully. If you have any doubt, you ask me in our live session. Okay, till then, take care. Bye.